There are more than 75 million low-income microfinance women borrowers in India. These loans help the women borrowers finance informal micro-enterprises and household expenses when needed.
Microfinance institutions have been a key enabler in furthering digital inclusion, and at present, nearly 100% of our loan disbursements happen into the client bank accounts digitally. However, there was an issue with digital repayments, and there were multiple reasons for it. One is the ownership of smartphones and feature phones is not widely prevalent with the low income clients which we serve. And second is the issue of financial literacy with the women clients which microfinance serves. The HSBC funded project implemented by MFIN was primarily conceived to incentivize digital repayments by tackling both these problems, the problem of smartphone ownership as well as low levels of financial literacy.
सर लास्ट हम 5 साल से जुड़े हैं, इसमें लेकर अपना बिजनेस हम किए हैं, दुकान में लगाए हैं। तो हम कल गए थे ट्रेनिंग में, तो जो हम सुने सर को बोले थे तो मोबाइल में हम चाहते हैं आज आप ऑनलाइन मार देने के लिए। तो इसलिए 5 साल से लिए पैसा अपना दुकान में बिजनेस में लगाए हैं। पहले सर आते थे तो हम कैश दे देते थे, तो अब ऑनलाइन का हो गया था। पहले जाना पड़ता था बैंक, तो बैंक में लाइन लगना पड़ता था, तो उसलिए अब सुविधा हो गया। जो सर से मोबाइल से हम अपना अथी से कार्ड से मरवा सकते हैं, मोबाइल फोन लेन हो गया है।
So many new solutions which are coming in, especially in the payment solutions. This whole drive towards becoming cashless, digital is helping, not only helping the customers, but I think it is also helping the companies in terms of efficiency, arresting frauds, bringing better governance in terms of payment solutions.
माशाल्लाह मैं 1.5 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ। पहले कैश कलेक्शन ज़्यादा होता था, अब जो है पहले से ज़्यादा ऑनलाइन हो रहा है डिजिटल पेमेंट के द्वारा। पहले इतना नहीं होता था, पहले टाइम भी बच रहा है और ब्रांच का दूसरा काम भी कर रहे हैं। नया ग्रुप भी बना रहे हैं और आगे लोन ब्रांच का भी दूसरा काम भी कर रहे हैं।
There are multiple modes of making digital loan repayment in MFI industry, but they need to happen in a different way. These different ways will depend on what is the infrastructure that MFI has and how people can use it. For example, many women in rural areas may not have access to smartphone, but they do have access to feature phones. If they were to use feature phone, what is the best option available to them? So one of the options that is available to them is UPI 123 Pay. Using the technology and the usage behavior of people, we can take digital loan repayment to the next level in India.
मेरा नाम प्रीति कुमारी है। मैं हाउसवाइफ हूँ जो घर में ही टेलर करती हूँ, और मैं फ्यूजन में जुड़ी भी हूँ जो कैश पेमेंट करती थी पहले। आप जो सर हम लोग को भी बताएं, जो बड़े वाले फ़ोन से भी यूपीआई जो करते हैं पेमेंट, अब हम लोग छोटे वाले फ़ोन से भी पेमेंट कर सकते हैं यूपीआई। जो 1-2 बार मैं की हूँ, और ये जो हमारी टाइम की बचत हुई है, अब छोटे छोटे काम के लिए हमें बैंक या ये एटीएम दौड़ना नहीं पड़ता है। अब घर ही बैठे हुए ही मोबाइल हम काम कर सकते हैं यूपीआई का।
Training of both field staff as well as borrowers was a critical component of this project. It was important not only to create awareness among borrowers on digital payment solutions, but also to build their trust so that they can adopt these solutions. As such, several types of training materials were developed to make it easier for them to understand the digital payment processes.
Transaction cost, as all of us are aware, has been one of the most significant factors when it comes to lending to the MFI and MFO borrowers. Through this partnership, the objective was to reduce this by facilitating uptake of this digital payment platform, be it for disbursements or repayments. For this to succeed, the biggest need was training both the MFIs, MFOs as well as the borrowers. Over the last 8 years of this partnership, we are glad that the project has been able to train over 300,000 people, a majority of whom are women.
The MFin HSBC project has trained more than 3 lakh borrowers across 9 partner MFIs and 10 states to enable borrowers to repay their loans digitally.